Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the HeatView software in Windows 10. To start off, you will need to open the internet browser of your choice, then simply go to heatview.ca and wait for the page to load. Once loaded, click on the Downloads button. When this page is loaded, scroll down to see download links for the latest versions of the manuals and software. Under the heading Software, you can find download links for the HeatView controller and HeatView eFurnace. Click the link and wait for it to download. Once the download is complete, you can run the exe file to start the installer. Windows will then ask if you're sure you want to install the software. Click More Info, then at the bottom click Run Anyway to install. You will then have to give permission to run the installer. After you click Yes, the installer will guide you through the installation of the software. You can accept all the defaults, or you can change the steps as needed. Once you click Install, it will install all the components of the software required, as well as the drivers needed. Just wait for it to finish. If it asks your permission to install any drivers, you can click on Yes. After the installation is complete, it will ask you to reboot the system. You will need to reboot it before trying to run the software, otherwise it won't communicate with the controller correctly. Once your machine has rebooted, you will be able to launch the software from the new desktop icon created by the installer. Or you could launch the software through the Start menu shortcut created in the HeatView folder. Here I used the desktop icon, and the software opens up and is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to heatview.ca and click on Contact Us if you need more support.